Imagine I buy something on Amazon. How do you think it finds its way to me? Duh, the address, right? An address typically comprises of a house number followed by the street, a local landmark, the city or the town that my house is a part of would be mentioned next. Following this would be the state, and in case of an international shipment, the country also might be mentioned. Now consider a century or two down the line when humans have made Mars their second home. Then, in addition to all of that, the name of the planet might also show up on your interplanetary Amazon packages. Is that it? Or can we go further? Or rather, how far can we go to describe a precise location in the universe? Something like a universal address to an alien living off a distant galaxy. Our planet Earth is the third planet from the Sun, at a distance of 150 million kilometers from it. But where is our Sun located? We all know that our Sun is a tiny little star among the 100 billion others within the Milky Way galaxy. But where exactly? Milky Way galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy. From a vantage point in space, that is from within the galaxy itself, it is quite difficult to determine the structure of our galaxy. It is like trying to determine how a house looks like from the outside while being glued to a chair within the living room. However, based on the best estimates, we have come to know that Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy and that it has 4 spiral arms, 2 major and 2 minor. Our Sun lies near a small partial arm called as the Orion arm or the Orion spur, located between the Sagittarius and the Perseus arm. Our galaxy spans 100,000 light years across, and our dear Sun is located halfway from its center, in the quiet suburbs. As the name suggests, the Orion arm houses the well-known constellation of Orion, our galactic neighbor. Within the Orion arm, our Sun is ploughing through a ring-shaped region of stars and star-forming region called as the Gould Belt, which is believed to have been formed out of a prehistoric hypernova. As the Earth takes a year to orbit around the Sun takes about 230 million years to complete one orbit around the galaxy. And just to put things into perspective, the last time we were at the same part of the galaxy, our Earth looked much different and dinosaurs walked on the surface. Now that we kind of have an idea of where we are located within the galaxy, the obvious next question is, where is the Milky Way located? Our galaxy is a part of a local group of galaxies called the Local Group. Yes, astronomers have a legacy of giving boring names to interesting astronomical objects. 2 of the most prominent galaxies within the Local Group are the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy. These 2 behemoths of the Local Group are hurtling towards each other and would merge into one single galaxy. We still have around 4 billion years before that happens. The Triangulum Galaxy is also a part of the Local Group of galaxies and is the 3rd largest in the Local Group. Apart from these, the Local Group is also made up of several dwarf galaxies, some of which are satellite galaxies of Milky Way and Andromeda. The Local Group spans 10 million light years across and is the largest gravitationally bound structure locally. Is that it? Or is the Local Group also part of something even larger? Turns out yes. The Local Group is a part of something even larger called as the Virgo supercluster. Spanning a width of 110 million light years and comprising of more than 100 galaxy clusters, the Virgo supercluster is truly colossal. Again, as the name suggests, it's a group of several galaxy clusters of which the Local Group is also a part. As you would have guessed it, Virgo cluster is the largest galaxy cluster within this supercluster. At this scale, things are no more bound by gravity, and hence things will disperse as time passes. Beyond this is Laniakea, Hawaiian for immeasurable heaven. This is dominated by the Virgo supercluster and also includes the Hydra Centaurus, Pavo Indus, and the southern superclusters. Laniakea houses more than 100,000 galaxies and is 500 million light years across. Laniakea, as it turns out, is a part of something even larger called as the observable universe. This is a spherical region of universe that could be observed from Earth. The light from the matter within this observable universe has had time enough to reach us since the beginning of the cosmic expansion. There are at least 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, and it spans a colossal 93 billion light years in diameter. What lies beyond the observable universe? We don't know. As light has a finite speed, any object further away from us than light could have traveled in the age of the universe simply can't be seen. The light emitted from these objects has not reached us yet and would never reach us thanks to the expanding universe. So there you have it. Considering that you figured out where you live on this beautiful blue marble, our universal address.